Today we're venturing deep into the lush rainforests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia in search of a truly extraordinary creature, the cassowary. These flightless birds are often called the dinosaurs of the rainforest for a reason. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing over 130 pounds, cassowaries are the third tallest and second heaviest living birds on Earth, surpassed only by the ostrich and emu. Cassowaries are solitary creatures, preferring the dense undergrowth of the rainforest to open plains. Built for the jungle, cassowaries are perfectly adapted to their rainforest habitat. Their powerful legs, equipped with dagger-like claws on their inner toes, can propel them through the dense vegetation at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Despite their formidable appearance, cassowaries are primarily herbivores, feasting on fruits, seeds, and fungi. They play a vital role in the rainforest ecosystem, dispersing seeds and helping to maintain plant diversity. But don't let their diet fool you. Cassowaries are surprisingly strong and can be quite defensive when threatened. Their powerful kicks are capable of inflicting serious injuries. It's important to respect these magnificent creatures and maintain a safe distance. So, the next time you hear about the dinosaurs of the rainforest, remember the incredible cassowary. These shy giants are not just relics of the past, but living reminders of the beauty and wonder of the natural world.